back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Hey, girl. Kid Nerd, what you doing? Kid Nerd lap. There's my buddy right there. J&J Batteries in the building. Jeffrey Lamp down there. If y'all need any batteries, go check them out on Booth Road down in Statham, Georgia. J&J Batteries down in Statham. Limited late models here next, followed by Stock 8 guys. Stock 8 guys, y'all be ready next after limited late model. Mr. House of the 03. Mr. Cape in the 118. The bad boy McCoy in the 187. Cade Cagle in the C5. 81 should be Mr. Howard. Green. Casey Roberts going the wrong way on the back straightaway. Great. Stock 8 guys, you roll after limited late model. Stock 8s, y'all be on the ground and ready to roll. Be on the grid and be ready to roll. Stock 8s, be ready. This is Longhorn. Behind him, you got the 36 car. Good to see Mr. Blake Craft in the train chassis. There's Mr. Hilltop Hustler in the 16 right there. That should be Mr. Devin Morgan in the 21, I think. There's Howard in the 81. Slim Jim Jimmy Johnson in the 98 machine. In the 22 right there, my man, Mr. Russell Irwin, all the way from Virginia. He picked up the $500 for the longest haul in the Infinity chassis by Wales. So good to see him on the grounds down here in Virginia. Mr. Russell Irwin, he'll make a trip next weekend at Sonoya with Dirt Track the P-State Classic. Casey Roberts on the back straightaway making his way down in the 101.